everyone, welcome back. So this is a continuation of my last video, which is the living room tool video, where I mentioned that I will be sharing how I changed our dining table plus an easy DIY wall decor. This particular weekend was kind of full with all these projects, small projects, and these DIYs which I'll be sharing today. Also, I managed to bake a cake. This is a blender orange cake recipe, a very easy one. I had posted the picture on Instagram the other day and a lot of you guys requested for the recipe, so I'll be sharing that too. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hope you'll enjoy. But before that, a small request. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified for any new uploads in my channel. Starting with the dining table makeover, as you can see, this is how it used to look. And yeah, this picture is when we had a lot of snow and it's so beautiful. Probably the first furniture we bought here, very basic, and was around 60 euros from Amazon with 2 benches, so very affordable. Eventually we got bored with the look and it kinda looked dull, so thought of giving a good makeover but in budget, as we didn't want to invest in any other piece of furniture. So I went for these self-adhesive furniture stickers which are very easily available in the market. You can also find them on Amazon. It turns out they're actually very easy to apply. All you need is scissors and some cards to push the paper down from one side and remove any air bubble. I'm using dough cutters here. I initially thought I will buy a marble printed stickers, but then thought okay, let's go with the wood finish but maybe on the darker shade. So I chose this one. So first cleaning the table very thoroughly before application. Scraping out any sticky residues that it might have. Now it's all ready. So I plan to first measure and then cut the required length. You can also find a scale at the back of the paper which made it really convenient and it was easy to cut a straight line. I have seen people using them in kitchen countertops as well, so it's a good thing. And the quality of the paper that I used was really good, and I was very satisfied with the final result. So very precisely, we have started with one end and just matching the two ends of the table, and then moved forward, removing the air bubbles. This was done pretty quick and I cut small strips for the sides and the legs. Also, a good tip that I learned is if you have a small air bubble here and there, you can just prick them using a safety pin or a sharp pin and they'll be gone and you won't even notice the small vent that you have created. For rest of the table, I decided to apply a coat of varnish. Because I thought it would be much easier than cutting various small strips of the paper. I chose a dark oak shade as it matched the paper that we used. And good to mention that these paper are washable. You can really wipe down with soap water and can also take heat. So we have been using the table already for quite some time now, and I must say they're still good so far. And the best part was everything was very budget friendly, cost effective, and it was almost done in a weekend, so all good. So that's it. This is how it looks right now, and I think it goes really well with the rest of the living room. I love the dark color. Do let me know in the comment sections if you like it. I have done the same thing with the top of our dresser table that you can see here. Everything that I've used in this DIY can be found in my idea list of my Amazon store. Link will be given in the description box. You can check it out if you wish to do any makeover at home. Next is a wall decor that I talked about. You all have seen the kitchen wall that we have. The decor here was like this. I used some cheese plates and just used glue gun to hang them up. So one of the plates broke and I decided to change the decor that I had. So I had these old spatulas, wooden spatulas, and I was not using them at all. And so I thought of utilizing them in this wall decor, and I just painted the old spoons with the same varnish that I used in the table. Also used a textile glue just to keep the twine in position. All I'm doing is just wrapping the thread around the end part just to add a bit of element because it's very simple otherwise. I really love the color. I think it added the required wood element that was missing in this side of the room. I'm keeping the thread very tight and securing it from the back with the same textile glue, and this white glue disappears and it becomes transparent eventually. So after a lot of iterations I could finally decide how I wanted to hang them up, and this is how I did. I think it looks pretty good considering I didn't have to spend any money on it, and I love the rustic feel that it gives. So in case you enjoy such DIYs or home decor stuff, you can also check my Instagram, which is BeingDeb official. I regularly post over there. So check out for some DIY inspiration or decor inspirations. Next is this orange cake. This is one of my favorite winter cakes and it just smells like winter. It's very easy to make. I actually make it in a food processor or a blender, whatever you have. Starting with our key ingredient, which is orange, and as you can see I have taken the entire orange like with the peel, and make sure they are seedless. In case you find any seed, make sure to remove them. I have taken here around 2 small oranges. You can take one big orange. Into it I'm adding half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. Well, you can use powdered sugar, but normal sugar also works fine because we're anyway blending it. And instead of oil you can also use melted butter, equivalent quantity of melted butter. Also adding a pinch of salt and 2 medium-sized eggs. Also adding few drops of orange essence, which I already had. You can absolutely skip it because you will have the natural orange flavor anyway. Blend it nicely so that everything is well mixed. Next comes the flour. You can also use almond flour, but I am using the normal one and it's 2 cups plus baking powder, which is like 3 teaspoons. I'll be anyway listing everything in the description box. You can check it out for the exact measurements. You can in fact take equivalent amount of self-rising flour, just omit the baking powder in that case. Give another quick blend just for a minute or so and then start mixing manually, very gently. You can just fold it like this. Also adding few dried orange peels. You can skip it. I had it at home so I'm just using it. It only adds to the texture. That's it. You can just pour it in a greased loaf tin. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes or until it is done. Here you go, a very easy peasy mix it all in a blender kind of cake, and they're perfect for your tea time or coffee time during the winters, and no one can tell that you actually invested 5 minutes for the preparation. The orange flavor that you get here is, oh my god, it's so delicious. Your entire house will smell like winter. And don't worry, the orange peel that we added will not turn the cake bitter. It will add a nice aroma, and the natural oil that the orange peel has will make the cake like moist and delicious. You can check my website for more such recipes. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.